One of the easiest things you can do to weed out clients that are time wasters is to have a minimum service charge. I believe every plumber needs a minimum charge, and it should be relatively high. And let me explain why. If you have customers that need you to come out and fix a flapper or change out a hose bib, I know it's tempting to not want to charge too much because in our mind, oh, it's quick and easy. It'll only take me 15 minutes, in and out. And that's true. It will only take you 15 minutes. But the reason it only takes you 15 minutes is because you've spent over a decade learning your skill, your craft, to get good at the point to where you can do it in 15 minutes. You also are smart enough and organized enough to keep all of the material and tools that you need on your truck so that when a customer needs a simple repair, like an aerator or an outdoor faucet replacement or a flapper, you have everything that you need so that you can execute quickly and efficiently. Now, you shouldn't be punished for that efficiency. You should be rewarded. And the way you reward yourself is you have a minimum charge. I'm surprised to find that there are still plumbers running around doing quick fixes for $49 or $99. Guys, it's 2025. You have to charge at least $150 just to even make a minor 10% profit for every quick service call. And so my recommendation, I would love to see every plumber do this. This is something I do. I think everybody should do this. Is as an industry, we all need to agree that we're going to have a minimum charge of at least $250 for anything. What do I mean by this? I mean, if a customer wants me to come out and they want me to fix something super minor, like a toilet flapper, you gotta understand, I'm busy. I got remodels I'm doing. I got repipes. I got sewer repairs and sewer liners that I'm doing. A toilet flapper is honestly a waste of my time and skill. But if a customer wants to hire me to do it, I'm more than happy to take that job for them. But it's gonna be $250. I know that might sound crazy to some of you, but hear me out. What tends to happen is the customers that are more budget minded and budget conscious, they're going to weed themselves out and they're going to say, yeah, no, I can't do that. That's too much money. And that's fine. It is a lot of money to replace a toilet flapper. But the thing is you need to charge a minimum in order to make sure your business makes a profit. I mean, you got to pay your employees, you got to pay your truck payment, all of the tools and the equipment and the insurance that we carry. It's insane how expensive business costs are. And so I would love to see plumbers adopt a $250 minimum for anything, period. Okay? That would be so good for the industry. It'd be so good for plumbers. It would honestly be good for homeowners because it would make them think like, is this worth $250 or should I figure out how to do this myself and watch a YouTube video? Or can I hire a handyman whose time is nowhere near as valuable as Mr. Skilled Plumber and I can hire him to change a toilet flapper? Yes, I actually am advocating for handymen to change out toilet flappers. I know, some of you guys are going to lose it in the freaking comments. Stay calm. Just follow me here. Have a minimum charge. It's going to weed out the bad customers. It's going to force people to think, is this worth it? And in my case, I think $250 in my market in Tampa, Florida, in the greater Tampa Bay area, I think it's totally reasonable. I have customers where I will talk to them on the phone and I can tell it's something super simple and I'll tell them, look, this is probably a super simple repair for me. It's a $250 minimum. I do not do service calls for less than $250. Now, I will do estimates for repipes and larger jobs for free, of course. But for a quick little, again, the example, the toilet flapper, yes, I'm going to charge $250. Now, if you have other things that you want to get done at your house at the same time, then we can value engineer something, right? Like if you want to replace all of the hose bibs, you're not going to pay $250 per hose bib. It might be closer to $150 or $175 or $200, right? But if I'm coming out to your house, I have to have a minimum fee, and I think $250 is more than reasonable for the vast majority of customers. And some people aren't going to be able to afford that, and that's okay. Wish them well, send them a YouTube video, tell them they can find their local handyman who can do that type of work. And you focus on the work that brings you the most profit and is the best use of your time. I hope this video was helpful to you. Y'all have a wonderful day. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.